Thanks, Neil. Item 5.6, Tina. Meetings. Meetings and opportunities.
Just one change to note, and that's the TIA meeting, which was set down the 12th, is now moving to the 26th.
26th of June. Oh,
And zone 2.
Zone 2.
On the 9th of June. And councillors would like to see that.
It's in Taupo.
Taupo-Kaingaroa.
Yeah. Taupo. Anyone want to go to Taupo? Mr. Rankin? No?
Thank you.
I don't think I've been to a zone 2 meeting yet.
No, I haven't. No.
Oh, it's
Not.
Thursday. Nice.
I can't do that date. Yeah.
You can't do the date? Okay.
What happens?
Oh, well, it has to be Councillor Cousins then.
Yeah.
All right, can we leave that one in abeyance at this stage, or Richard, if anyone wants to take them, we can retrospective. Don't just up the road. I might just don't need accommodation. No. Okay.
And that provides
I might. I'll just check, but I could be a starter.
Okay.
So can we put you down?
Yeah. Okay.
Councillor Heckling. All right, receives information, Councillor Heckling. That's all we need to do. So recommendations 1 and 2. Is that all, Tina? Yep. Can I have a mover, please?
I'll move.
Sorry, Councillor Kingy, body, seconded by Councillor Kingy. Those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
It's carried.